Buying Discord Nitro with Apple Gift Card. In today's video, you are going to learn how to buy Discord Nitro with Apple Gift Card. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is you have to redeem your card. For that purpose, you just have to go your App Store, and in App Store, you just go to the Wallet section, and in Wallet, you will go to Payment and Subscriptions. In Payment and Subscription, you will select the option Redeem Code, and then you will just scan or manually add your code, and then some funds will be added to your Apple Gift Card. Next, you just have to go to the Discord Nitro, and in Discord Nitro, you will click on Settings, and then in the settings or your account profile, you will see this Nitro subscription. You will select one of these, and then you will have an option to buy yearly or monthly. Just click your option plan, and then in the payment method, you will select Apple Gift Card as your payment method. That's all. That's how you will be able to buy Nitro with Apple Gift Card. Thanks for watching.